Plowing on Sunday by Wallace Stevens. Read for LibriVox.org by Alan Davis Drake. The whitecock's tail tosses in the wind. The turkeycock's tail glitters in the sun. Water in the fields. The wind pours down. The feathers flare and bluster in the wind. Remus, blow your horn. I'm plowing on Sunday, plowing North America, blow your horn. Tum-ti-tum, ti-tum-tum-tum. The turkeycock's tail spreads to the sun. The whitecock's tail streams to the moon, water in the fields. The wind pours down. End of poem. This recording is in the public domain.